guys, here in today's video we're going to review this liquid laundry detergent dispenser that I got sent out to review. It comes with 3 glass pieces, and each of them it can fit up to 1.8 liters and is one for each. You can fit the detergent, the laundry, the detergent, the bleach, and the softener. So this is how you will be setting them up, and once that you do that, you will be putting your detergent, softener, and bleach right here, and this is how they look like. Each of them has their tag and their own like a dispenser as well, and it comes with this rack which you will be used to put everything on top, the 3 containers, and also it comes with 3 cups which you will be using for each of the dispenser. Okay, it is really nice. It looks really different and organized. This way you will know if you need more detergent or more bleach in this case, and also the dispenser is much more convenient.